Hello guys and welcome back to yet another epic and exciting episode on Comet Dashcam channel. From close calls all the way up to road rage and many more crazy moments are right here on this channel. Today's episode is packed with all sorts of crazy situations, so make sure to pay close attention and learn something. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway.
Shouldn't be doing that.
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. This guy was really impatient, as you can see. He casually jammed a long line of traffic and endangered himself and others around as well. Take a closer look at the driver in front of the camera. The one on the right side casually went through pavement markings and he cut another driver off.
What are you guys doing?
Pickup truck driver in front had a lot of problems maintaining his lane position. This guy was moving over a double solid yellow line on multiple occasions.
Okay, I need to back off from you. Oh my god, dude. Okay, this came off scared.
Camera came across a driver who was on the wrong side of the road as he was making a turn. The level of focus is really concerning. Road driver didn't care about the wet road and the dangers it can cause. He was speeding and cutting others off in traffic like it's nothing.
Going on here?
Interesting.
What's going on here? That's one too many. That's two too many.
Yeah.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something out of this as well. If you support this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.